If your number is dropping quickly or you're getting blocked, the problem isn't the tool, it's the way you're warming up your number. In this video, I'm going to show you a warming up tool that could solve your problem, which is the MMZap Pro extension. So let's get into the video. Here, I already have the tool open, okay? You can see here that it's an extension. Here, look, you can use it however you want, see? What does it do? It will connect you with users who already use MMZap from different IPs and locations, and it will use your number to interact with these people, and they will also interact with you, okay? So it will, for example, here, you'll receive random messages and it will also send them, okay? So these are people from various different locations. So you create your number there and enter it here in the extension. So when you start, for example, here in settings, there's a delay time, see? Minimum delay, 60 seconds, maximum delay, you set it however you want, see? You can change the delay. So if you're going to use the account, if you just created a WhatsApp there and started running it in the extension, don't use a very short time, which is from 60 to 79 seconds here. If you use a new number, you'll probably receive and send messages in bulk there and will likely get blocked. So set a longer delay. I'm not going to set a rule for you like, oh, set it to 60 or 120, because if you do that, it becomes a pattern. WhatsApp will detect a pattern and you'll probably get blocked. So set a time that you think is long and then change it the next day. As you keep using the tool, you can start reducing this delay. On average, after 4 to 7 days, the number will already be a bit warmed up. And after 9 days, you can start doing some sends, some test sends, and so on. But remember, this isn't a fixed rule, okay? Because if I give you a standard here, then WhatsApp will detect a pattern there and you'll probably get blocked. Let's go. Here, look, there's the night mode option. You can change it. Then just save the settings. Here, look, Archiver. This option here, when you activate it, every time you receive a message on MMZap, the conversation will be archived, okay? So this is to keep too many people from piling up on the main screen. So there's also this blacklist option. Here, the people you add, it will prevent the bot or MMZap from responding to these people, okay? So here it's like an agent blacklist. This is where you can insert a proxy. What's the advantage of inserting a proxy? If you run several browsers on the same machine, let's say you have 5 MZap licenses and you want to use them all on the same machine. If you use 5 browsers and set up those 5 accounts, WhatsApp will detect that there are multiple accounts on the same IP with some common activities like receiving and sending messages. Sometimes you'll set it up and it'll notice a pattern of receiving random messages. Suddenly 5 profiles on the same IP, so it might flag this as spam and end up blocking your account. If you use a proxy, that PC will basically be masked, right? WhatsApp will detect if you use 5 proxies, 1 for each account, it will see them as different locations and there won't be any data overlap. So that's one of the main reasons, the real culprit for people getting blocked, okay? You can generate a fingerprint, which means changing your CPU and other data from your machine. So basically that's it, guys. Just a quick video explaining.